All right, folks, so yours truly, Eddie Jeezy, back on duty, back with another video. So I've always wanted to do this type of video where we actually get an accurate reading of 0 to 60 miles per hour. So that's what I'm about to do right now. All right, folks, so we came in at 6.4. You know, I've done 6.3 with just the Ktuner as well as the PRL Stage 1 system intake. Looking forward to the down pipe, hopefully after the holidays, as well as a straight pipe, and hopefully that would make it better. Anyways, it's all good. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yours truly, Eddie Jeezy. Peace, and we are out.